G, okay. H. H. Alright. Now let's move on to numbers. What number is that? Okay. Now, what is it? Okay, what sound does it make? What sound does it make? Okay, so A4. A4. B. What sound does it make? Okay, B4. There, and then B4. Where? There it is. C. What sound does it make? Okay, C4. C4. After C4. Okay. And what's that? D. What sound does it make? The B4. The and then B4. Okay. What is that? E. What sound does it make? Okay, B4. Okay, then B4. F. What sound does it make? F for fish.
ตัวน้อย
Far. Okay, what that is? H. What sound does it make? Okay, H for horse. 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 And then H for hat. What does that is?